Birla School Pilani, a century-old institution, is running under the visionary principal, Mr. Dhirendra Singh. The century-old legacy moves around, inculcating the values among the children. Principal Mr. Dhirendra Singh is the locus of all the organs of the school body, and with his telecopy vision, he stimulates every part for the benefit of the students. The school becomes active early in the morning, where the students go for morning exercises. After gentle exercises, they go for washing and cleaning and assemble in the residences for the roll call, and building which one can see around are the rooms of the students. The students move to the dining hall for the meals, which has healthy and nutritious food. It's now the time for them to begin academic activities with prayer, where the students read news, thought of the day, organize quizzes, and then proceed to the academic block. The outlook of this academic block mesmerizes each and every passerby. It builds a strong academic foundation and also develops an undeniable aesthetic sense. Every classroom is equipped with smart board and has internet access. There is a continuous 6-hour study schedule with highly experienced, professional and visionary teachers. The school is having advanced computer labs, laboratories related to modern physics, chemistry, biology, biotechnology. In order to make the students familiar with the hardware at a very early stage and concept learning practically, a special hardware lab is developed in the school. The field trips and excursions are organized, which form the base of their curriculum. The school has also received the British Council International Award in the years 2016 and 19 on the basis of the curriculum activities organized in the school. Birla School Pilani students are fortunate enough because they can visit the Birla Science Center for clearing theoretical concepts, and also they can do their practicals there. Birla Science Center is one of its unique kind where students can complete their dream projects. Eco Park is one of the study places for the students where the open air classroom widens their vision. Artificial intelligence is a subject introduced in every class. The application of artificial intelligence is developed among the students by making robots, drones, so that they can learn advanced applications useful for the mankind. The director of Birla Education Trust, Major General S.S. Nair, head of the school family, takes keen interest in every activity of the students. During leisure time, students enjoy music, speak-macky programs, and also to give language skills, different school students are invited every year in a program called Saptrishi, a part of academic curriculum which constitutes English-related events. Every winner receives a winning certificate. As part of the academic curriculum, Model United Nation (MOON) event is organized every year for improvement in the personality and knowledge. As boys are sports lover, various sports are organized under the special coaches of the event. Karate is one of them, in which the school has brought laurels. Basketball athletics, which involve field and track events, are other events organized in the school. Horse riding is one of the daring activities performed by the students in Birla School Pilani. Volleyball, lawn tennis, swimming, skating also form an integral part of the sports curriculum of Birla School Pilani. Special counselors are invited and workshops for career counseling are organized. Brass band is one of the important activities carried out in the school. The school has all the three NCC wings, Army, Navy and Air Force. The motto is unity and discipline. The evening preparatory studies, supervised by the teachers, is followed by dinner, which is again followed by the night preparatory self-studies, supervised by the teachers again. Birla School Pilani is reaching new heights under the guidance and leadership of our vigilant and dynamic principal, Mr. Dhirendra Singh, and we hope that more feathers will be added to the cap of this age-old and renowned school in the coming years. To know more about Birla School Pilani, one can visit the school YouTube channel and social media pages on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook.